Imagine a world where learning is not just a necessity, but an exciting journey. Where every child is equipped with the tools not just to succeed, but to excel. Welcome to Educatus, where we transform the educational experiences for IGCSE, GCSE, IB, and IBDP students. Let me take you through how we make this possible. Our approach is simple yet revolutionary. We believe in making learning interactive and engaging. At Educatus, our programs are packed with hands-on activities that not only keep students engaged, but also help them understand and retain information effectively. Whether it's complex mathematical formulas or intricate scientific concepts, our methods ensure that students grasp these subjects thoroughly. But we don't stop there. Each student is unique, with their own way of learning and understanding the world. That's why our learning plans are personalized, tailored to fit each student's individual needs and learning styles. Our experienced educators craft strategies that maximize learning efficiency and enjoyment. Our coverage is extensive. From mathematics to sciences and languages, our curriculum is designed to enhance critical thinking and problem-solving skills. This comprehensive approach ensures that regardless of the subject, our students are well prepared to tackle academic challenges head-on. Imagine your child mastering these subjects, not just learning, but excelling and doing so with confidence. That's what we strive for at Educatus. Our supportive and encouraging environment plays a crucial role. We believe in nurturing, not just teaching, and our educators are dedicated to keeping students motivated and on track. Joining Educatus means giving your child the advantage of high-quality, interactive education tailored to international curricula. Witness the transformative power of our programs and see how we can help unlock your child's potential. Every student can achieve academic excellence, and at Educatus, we make it happen. Thank you for considering Educatus as your partner in your child's educational journey. Together, let's shape a brighter future.